In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a members area on Wix. Whether you're looking to manage exclusive content for your subscribers or simply want to add an extra layer of engagement to your website, setting up a members area is a game changer. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring you come away with a functional and rewarding space for your community. To begin, you'll want to head over to wix.com, where we can launch into the site setup. This is the perfect starting point, as Wix's user-friendly interface guides you effortlessly through the creation process, even if web design is not your forte. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if it's your first time, but don't worry, we'll simplify everything for you today. Now, you'll want to look for the option on the dashboard that says New Page or even New Site. Click on that, and this will prompt Wix to open a fresh page where you can begin crafting your vision. The importance of this step cannot be overstated. It's like setting up an empty canvas where you will later add all your creative elements and functionalities specific to the member's needs. After setting up your new page, it's time to bring that canvas to life. You need to locate your newly created page from the list. Simply click on it, and it will instantly open up in the Wix editor, where most of the magic happens. Here, you'll see a sidebar packed with a host of features and tools designed to enhance and expand your website. Next, direct your attention to the sidebar. There, you'll find an option labeled Add Apps. Clicking on this is crucial because the members area functions as an app that you can incorporate into your site. After you click, a window will open up to the Wix App Market, which is a treasure trove of both free and premium apps. In the search bar, type Member Area. Wix provides a handy search feature that filters out exactly what you need, saving you both time and effort. Once you see Wix Members Area pop up in your search results, go ahead and click on it. This app is specifically designed to cater to building and managing memberships on your site efficiently. With the app selected, you'll see an option to Add to Site. Click this and Wix will begin the integration process. While it installs, it's worth noting that depending on your connection, it might take several moments to complete. So don't worry if it doesn't instantly appear. Once it's done, the members area will be fully integrated into your new page, allowing you to customize settings and content as you see fit. So there you have it. You've successfully created a members area on Wix, setting the stage for an interactive and exclusive community on your site. Thank you for following along, and happy building!